Alright, gang, so I removed the whole control arm, just the two upper ones. I put the spring up under the lower control arm. So when I unloosen that nut on the lower one that was like right here, when I unloosened that, there's tension on that spring was able to be controlled by that jack. Then I loosened that up and popped the spring out with that handle, man. Ain't nothing to it. This is shit common sense. Big part, small part, big part, small part, big part, lower joint. If it come with the nuts, use it. If it don't, use what they got. Lock nuts. You ain't got no lock washers. So use what they got. 2 of them on there, 2 on the out, cap that shit on that road, baby. You feel me? Huh? Y'all know what I'm talking about. You don't know what I'm talking about? Don't fuck with them people shit, man. Alright, so I'm gonna put y'all on game right quick. See the tabs right there? Make sure that they not bent. See that one right there? I gotta unbend it. I really need a flat bar. A flat bar would be the perfect thing. So I could get up under there and straighten them out. But once I get that on, I'm gonna show y'all how to put the coilovers on. And that's gonna be the end of this video. Another thing with this LS swap, if I could do it again, I would go with the Holley 302-2 pan. Also, I would get a the aftermarket drive shaft so the exhaust could be all tucked in, looking like a pretty situation. Yep, let's get it, let go, let it go. Alright, y'all. The tab that was bent, this one right here, I was able to get some channel locks in, straighten it out. So now I'm about to get everything installed so we can get all this shit closed up, baby. Maybe start bleeding these here brakes and put this pound puppet back on the road, Joker. Alright, gang, so this here plate, we're gonna go down. I had to open them holes up a little bit because I guess they didn't know that these should come with this little piece there. So put that on there. Put your shock on there. Snowflake, snowflake, give me something, snowflake. Falling, 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 falling. Put it on there. Put it on there like that, baby. All right, gang, so first you install that plate. I had to wobble them holes out of the tag because this little section right here. Come on, man, you running all into my coat. Get that thing away. And then you got these rolling bearings right there too, with the washers. That's gonna go next, you see. Just make it to fit over there. And then you're gonna put your spring on. There. Once you get all that on, I'll show you what you do next. Come hold this. Come here, Jay. Hold this right here like that. Shine it on there, just like I got it, just like that. 2 hands. 2 hands. Right down. Hold this like that. Alright. So after we got all that assembled, we're just gonna push him down, go up with him, and then you're gonna work him up in that hole. But you gotta observe what's going on, because we don't want to bend them tabs up again. Look at my little baby, little pretty girl. So once you do that, you just want to make sure you don't bend all those tabs. You don't want to bend no tabs. Then you're going to get your jack up under that lower control arm, jack it up, and then you'll see the shaft for your shock come through there. And that's pretty much it on installing these coilovers. I mean these control arms. Now, y'all see I got the spacers, all that's locked down already. So we're gonna need a alignment and all that after this. So let me get the jack situated and cut you back on, baby. Alright, YouTube, I had put the car on the ground, but this front was way too low, gang. So I had to wind up adjusting the coilover. That's what I'm trying to do now. I can't find one of these spanner wrenches though. And they a little fight to adjust. I wish I would have at least put a midway or something before I set the car on the ground, because now I got a hand through that thing all the way up there. And I'm gonna put some anti-seize on it too. Let me grab the anti-seize right quick. Just flow a little better. Even though I had put some grease on that before, it's like a clear lithium grease. But I want the most lubrication I could get, because they got a good bit of pressure on these springs and stuff. That ought to be good, just enough to spread the welt when you get up there. It's how hard it is. If y'all know an easier way, let me know. Willie said they gotta, the rebuild said they gotta go up a good bit, so I gotta go up a good bit. It don't look too bad going, but you got a lot of tension on there. So that's how you gotta do that. So I advise anybody that putting coilovers on the car, at least have it halfway or something, so you don't have to go back and fight it like we're random doing right now. And like I said, I put the car on the ground, and she laying down in the front. Well, this her side it ain't going too bad. I could get it a little bit at a time. And I thought about taking all this shit apart, but I ain't gonna do it. The only thing I got left is just here, nut at the top. So I'll tighten up. I was gonna set that once I put the car on the ground. I think they say how this here go, it'd be like maybe like an inch gap from your locking ring, which is this one, to the seat ring. That'll be like the height that you're raising it. It's moving better now. I can't say that. I need to get that other side going like this, and then you gotta find the right area to be able to work this thing. I guess as long as I got one wrench, we all right. It'll work out. It'll work out. I might try to get on that other side over there and get something going over there. Get him moving up, because he was the problem over there. I couldn't, I might have got like a turn or two. I probably just ain't putting enough pressure to it. Everything look pretty good. We're gonna see. Once I straighten this out, I'm gonna throw that seat up in there. We gotta try out Mr. Willie tune. Let's see what Mr. Justin got a random car running, so we can go ahead on and pay the man. That's what y'all don't be liking to do. Y'all don't like to pay the man. You could pay me. You can pay me right now by hitting that old like button. Go ahead and hit that like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Turn on your post notification, gang. We about to be more consistent, more focused in life. And you want to be a part of this journey. You want to be a part. This is a journey, baby. I'm trying to tell you now. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I'm trying to tell you. Look how strange do stuff. He's trying to chip on me and flick off on me or something. Let's hop to that other side. Since I know he going, let's hop on to the other side and see if we could get some motion over there. Well, y'all don't know, man. I'm still getting water up in the car. I gotta adjust these glass or something. But that's how we looking right now. Been waiting on carpet samples to come in and see what I'm gonna do. I ain't gonna talk too much, but I probably put a little bit more deadener down too. Cover up some more of those spots. Let me see if I can get something going on this side over here. Because I had actually screwed both of them all the way up. Then I had to screw them all the way back down because I was thinking, let's see which way this one gotta go. So I'm gonna have to pull from this back end. There's a little dark over here. Righty tighty, lefty loosey, baby. But y'all see what's going on. I ain't gonna bore y'all to death. I'm gonna get it straight and I'll holler at you when I get it back on the ground, baby. Huh? It's that gang. Yeah. Mr. On that. Just turning the wheel so I could work it a little better. Get that word out a little better. Get that word out. I'm glad I got that one moving, because this one here making me mad, gang. Hope I ain't gotta change nothing. I hope I can get it going. Hope I could get it going, babe. Might be stuck on a little rock or something. Like I said, I did grease them all before. They got that white grease on there. It's like lithium grease. It protects from water and stuff. And I put that on there because I ain't want nothing to get all messy. But at the end of the day, you see what we using now. Put him all down there. Get him nice and juicy, baby. Oh yeah. Get him nice and juicy. Yeah, you get a little tired of him, Mr. Jim. You tired of him, Jimmy? You tired of them, Mr. Jimmy? You tired of them? You getting a little turny. A little turny, just gotta work with it. We get a little motion. But y'all see it, man. I don't want to bore y'all unless y'all want to watch. I don't know if y'all want to see that. Y'all let me know in the comments if you want to watch. Watch me. Yeah, so. Yeah, watch me. But y'all see it, man. I don't want to bore y'all. I'm going to go ahead on and knock that out. And I'll cut you back on once I get it sitting back on the ground how we wanted it. Like I say, it was face down, ass up before. Just how I don't like it. But how I like it. I'm gonna holler at you, baby. Alright, gang. We done, baby. Y'all see you. Old Midnight back on the ground. That's right. On the more platinum performance. Midnight is back on the ground, baby. It was sent too low. I let my man really rebuild. We had to talk that shit. Got him sitting right, so next video, they getting water in the car, gang. They getting water up in the car. So we done got rid of the water. And now I just gotta fix the leak. I fixed that one, that back glass, I fixed that one. The problem we having now, y'all see I done bolted my old seat in. So the interior man about to go out of town and they ain't send me my carpets yet. But look, you see that gap back there? That's a nice little gap right there. So I gotta adjust all these here glasses and get this situation together. You hear me? But other than that, we about to hop back in traffic, you hear me? But not on this video. But this video, the control arm coilover video, that's it. But you see you back on the ground. I just locked down this right here. So we on go time, baby. Got the AC back connected. Just gotta charge them up. Everything connected. I was gonna change this here dryer. I tried to, they sent me the wrong one. So I said I'm gonna run it like this because I probably wind up putting that old snail back on them anyway. You know what that snail mean, huh? Y'all holler at me, comment, like, subscribe, you hear me? Go random. Over and out.